What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a blower motor on this 2021 Elantra. So normally you would have a kick panel held down by some plastic push pins down here, but this was gone, so we can get right to the blower motor right away. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this extension and a Phillips head, and I'm going to take out the 3 screws that hold this blower motor in. And those first 2 aren't too bad, but that one in the back is pretty tough to get to. And that's why I have this long, flexible extension. I've seen some other guys do these with like 45 degree or 90 degree drill extensions, and that also might be a good idea. I'll link up this extension and some of those in the description. So this next part took both hands, but after you have those screws out, you should be able to wiggle out that blower motor. And here I am with the blower motor all the way out. I was having a really tough time with this connector, so I end up taking it off the rest of the car before I actually pull it out. So here's me pulling out the push pins that hold in the harness for that connector, and this will help to get a better angle whenever I go to pull that out of the blower motor. So with that harness disconnected from the underside of the car, it was a lot easier to pull that connector out. I also used this pocket pry bar to help me too. And if you're having trouble with your blower motor, go ahead and check that connector, make sure it's not green on the inside or anything. I put those pins back in before I installed the new blower motor. It can be kind of tough working these things back up in there due to the angles and stuff. You may want to take the floor mats out or pull the carpet back, but I ended up getting this one in with very little trouble, and I put the screws back in without that extension this time. You can see me here getting the tough one in the back started by hand. And from there, I used a screwdriver to get it all the way back in. Here I am reconnecting the blower motor. And here I am testing the HVAC, making sure that we have no more issues. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and good luck.